to create Particles logo or text animation like this by using Trapcode particular plugin. Let's get started. After creating a new composition, we'll name it main. Now, import your logo and the Reflection Studio image. You can grab that file from the link in the description below. Select your logo layer and drag it into the timeline. Hit S to scale it down like this. Right-click on the logo layer, select Pre-Compose, choose Move All Attributes into the new composition, and rename it to just ChatGPT logo. Click OK. Next, select the Studio Reflection image and drag it into the timeline. Press S and adjust the scale, so it's the same size as your logo. Now go to the Effects and Presets panel and type Motion Tile. Drag and drop this effect onto the Reflection Studio layer. Check the Mirror Edges box. And then increase the output width and output height like so. Move to the first frame of this layer and set a keyframe for the Tile Center property. Then go to the end of your animation and increase the X value of the tile center to create movement. Now, go to the Effect menu, then Blur and Sharpen, and choose Fastbox Blur. Set the blur radius to around 50. Next, simply select this reflection layer. Right-click and choose Pre-Compose. Select Move All Attributes into the new composition and rename it Studio Reflection. Finally, select the Studio Reflection layer. Set the track matte for the Studio Reflection layer to Alpha Matte. If you don't see the track matte options, click the Toggle Switches Modes button. Go to the Effects and Presets panel and type Glass. Drag and drop this effect onto Studio Reflection. Open Surface. Set Bump Map to ChatGPT logo. Set Property to Alpha. Change Softness to 50. Height to -50 and Displacement to -150. OK, now head over to the Effects and Presets panel and type in CC Blobilize. Open up the blobbiness settings. Set the Studio Reflection to ChatGPT logo. Bring the softness down to around 10 and set cutaway to 5. And change the lightness to alpha. Add a new adjustment layer. Go to Effect, Color Correction, choose Curves. Bring RGB line up as a curve like this. Go to the red line. Also bring it up as a curve like this. Also the green line, do the same thing. Now bring blue line down as a curve like this. Now we have a gold luxury logo like this, and you can do like this logo to any logo you want. Just convert your logo to alpha and go. Now select both the logo and Studio Reflection layers and the adjustment layer. Right-click on them and choose Pre-Compose. Let's name this new composition Gold Logo. Next, go up to your toolbar and select the rectangle tool. Create a mask over your gold logo layer like this. Open mask. Change mask feather to 200. Go to select tool, then go to mask and double click on it. Move your mask like this. Set a keyframe for the mask path. Move your timeline indicator forward to around the 5-second mark and move your mask the other side like this. Let's create another new composition now, and I'll name it Particular. Hit OK. Inside this particular comp, create a new black solid layer. To do this, go to Layer, New, Solid, and name it Particles. Now go to Main Comp, then drag and drop it onto Particular Main like this. Make this comp 3D and you uncheck visibility of this layer. Now go to Effect, Trapcode, Particular. This plugin from Red Giant, you can download a free trial version from link in the description box below. Now go to Emitter, set point to Layer, then emitter type. Change particles per second to 1 million. Set velocity to 30, velocity random to 50, velocity distribution to 0, set velocity emitter to 0, also emitter size to 0. Go to Layer Emitter, set none to main. Open particle. Set life per second to 2. Life random to 50%. Set sphere feather to 100%. Particle size 1.3. Then size random set 50%. Open size over life, presets, and I'll choose this one. Set opacity random to 50. Open opacity over life, presets, and I'll choose this one. Change the blend mode to add. Okay, let me close everything here. Open physics. Change gravity to -200. Open air. Change wind X to 80 and wind Y to -80. Open turbulence field and change effect position to 150. Go to Effect, Stylize to choose Glow, go to particle layer, Control D to copy, and we'll make some changes here. Go to particle and change life per second to 3. Change wind X to 100 and wind Y to -100. Change effect position to 200. Drag and drop gold composition on timeline. Go to Effects and Presets and type Linear Wipe. Change Wipe Angel to -90. Increase Mask Feather. Make Transition Corporation 100% keyframe on it. Keyframe on it. Then go 5 seconds forward. Move gold logo few frames like this. And we almost done. Okay, this is our lesson today. If you like it, don't forget like, share, subscribe, and goodbye.